guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I have Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul recommendations. So Nykaa पे चल रही है sale and the sale is huge. उनकी I think every year around the end of July month उनकी सेल चलती है and the deals are crazy, and I just thought that this is the right time to share with you all what all products did I love that I purchased from Nykaa and I would really love to recommend. So that is the use of sales. So sales के through आप वो सारी चीज़ें खरीद सकते हो that you've been eyeing for a very long time. Yeah, I do not want to make you guys wait any further, and let's just see what all products do I have. So I have products in every category. I have skincare, makeup, hair care and body care. So let's start off with skincare first. So one of my most favorite brand for skincare has to be Bioderma, and this is the Bioderma Etoderm Creme Ultra. You can see the amount I've finished. I think I got it in the month of April and it's still there. This is a very good range. Bioderma in general, it makes great products. I am a little fan of Bioderma products. I think अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव है और आपको कुछ भी सूट नहीं कर रहा है, in that particular case I tell you guys to really try out Bioderma. Their Sensibio face wash is my favorite face wash. I have recommended it in my video, in like my monthly favorite video of June month. Check it out. उसमें मैंने इसे recommend किया था and that was just the best decision to ever purchase it. The next one that I completely full 100% recommends for sunscreens has to be the Dot and Key sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I wear every single day without fail. This is the only sunscreen that I happen to love the most, and this one in particular is the Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen 50 PA 4 times plus. So good sunscreens. I've tried other sunscreens also from Dot and Key. They have for I think oily skin, they have for like brightening, glowy one, I don't know, but this is my favorite. This is my third purchase, like third sunscreen bottle in this variant. This is my third one and I love this so much. Okay, so moving on to makeup, I have a few makeup recommendations here as well. So the very first thing is primer. अगर आप primer use नहीं करते हो makeup से पहले, I tell you guys to really use a good primer because primer can make a lot of difference in your makeup, and the one that I love is from Plum Prep Set Go Face Primer. This is such a good primer. This is silicone based primer, so ये आपके जो pores हैं नाक के पास या around your cheeks, ये बहुत अच्छे से उन्हें fill up कर देता है, and this just provides a base for your makeup to sit in well. If you wear foundation on your bare skin, the chances are the foundation is going to settle in your pores and it's going to look very weird. It's so smooth in texture, मतलब ऐसे चले जाता है, कोई चिप नहीं होती है, just settles into the skin very beautiful. Moving on to the next product, this is the Dot and Key Skincare Tinted Sunscreen. This is another sunscreen from Dot and Key that I absolutely love, and I cannot tell you guys how much do I use this every single time because this gives a very subtle coverage. It's not at all heavy. अगर आप foundation use नहीं करना चाहते and you want to use something which is more on the lighter side, I tell you guys to really get this one. ये भी सेल पे काफी अच्छे डिस्काउंट में मिल जाएगी आप लोगों को, and this gives you a very subtle coverage which is like you're wearing a tinted moisturizer, so you know it just doubles up as like a moisturizer, sunscreen, foundation, concealer, सबको ऐसे mixed है इसमें. So I really like it and that's why I always go back to it. Okay, the next product is the Insight Blush. इसका packaging हट चुका है पूरा सामने से, and this is in the shade Raspberry Gelato 02, and this is the blush. I love the shade so much. I don't think you can see. ये भी बहुत light लग रहा है, but it's actually quite like dark. Like it's a very dark pink. Feels very rich, and you know it feels like a very nice consistency creme blush. Moving on to lipsticks, and the most important part for when you wear a lipstick, at least when I wear a lipstick, has to be a lip liner. So this is a brown tone lip liner from Recode Lip Smacker lip liner. Such a great lip liner. I have shown it and I'm gonna show it again. See, look at the brown color that it has. Each time I apply it on my lips become very like fuller. If like I don't know, it gives a very nice color which matches my complexion very well, and this is why I am in love with this one. For lipsticks, I don't think I have to think much when it comes to lipsticks ever, and this will always be Mama Earth lipsticks. These are the lipsticks that I love. And the two shades that I love, actually there are three, there's one more shade, but अभी के लिए मैं दो ही दिखा देती हूँ. The one is the hazelnut brown 16 and the other is the 04 cinnamon nude. Both are very nice and beautiful colors. So hazelnut brown is like your brown nude, like your classic brown nudes, जो भी browns आप वेयर करते हो बिल्कुल वैसे ही ब्राउन न्यूड है. शेड इज़ वेरी नाइस, फॉर्मूला इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. एंड द अदर वन इज द सिनेमन न्यूड. इसका जो है थोड़ा सा मॉविश टोन है, विच इज़ वाई आई लाइक टू टॉप अप एवरी लिपस्टिक विद दिस वन, बिकॉज दिस जस्ट गिव्स मी अ वेरी नाइस यू नो मॉविश लुक ऑन माई लिप्स. अगेन सूट्स माई complexion very very well and I would really suggest you guys to try out these lipsticks. Like इनकी जो ये पूरी रेंज है लिपस्टिक्स की इतनी सही है, इतनी बढ़िया रेंज है, इतने सारे शेड्स हैं इसमें. लाइक दे हैव रेड्स ऑल्सो, दे हैव peach also, so you know you have everything covered in the entire range, and that is why I am in love with this range. Okay, the last lip product also that I want to recommend to you guys absolutely 100% is the it is the glazed lip oil from Makeup Revolution. And ये lip gloss जैसा नहीं है. Okay, don't buy it if you're looking for a lip gloss. This gives a very nice beautiful shine and that is it. ये बिल्कुल भी thick नहीं है, so you know you have to only use it when you're looking for something lighter weight formula on your lips. So that is why I love it, because ये बहुत lightweight feel करता है on top of lipsticks, and that is what I have done right now and my lips look so good. Okay, last makeup product that I cannot like recommend, I mean this, I completely forgot about this one, and this is the Nykaa palette, Nykaa eye color palette in the shade 01. बिल्कुल पार्टी पैलेट है ये. इसमें सारे जितने भी शेड्स हैं ना वो पार्टी ओरिएंटेड शेड्स हैं, एंड आई लव एवरी शेड. आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड ब्लैक एंड आई गेट अ गुड ब्लैक. आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ ब्राउन न्यूड, आई गेट अ ब्राउन न्यूड. देयर इज ऑरेंजी न्यूड, नो दिस इज लाइक मॉविश ब्राउन. अभी कलर सब बिगड़ गया इधर, बट यू गेट अ पॉइंट राइट. सो दिस इज अ गुड न्यूड एंड देन दिस इज अ शिमरी शेड. इनका बहुत अच्छा पिगमेंट्स है, लाइक द पिगमेंट ऑफ दीज are crazy. I love this range. I mean they have so many other variants of their eye color palette. I urge you guys to try out at least one of it. Throw it in your bag and travel the world with these, because that's all you need. Okay, moving on to the body care products, and I cannot tell you guys enough about these lotions, and these are from Nivea. So this one is the Body Milk. Yes, this is the Body Milk, and this one is the Aloe Hydration Body Lotion from Nivea. Both of these are my absolute favorites. This one I use when my skin is feeling extremely dry and dull and I can feel that dryness on my skin. That is when I'm going to use this one. And if my skin is you know like feeling okayish and I'm not in the mood of using a lot of like product on my skin and my skin just needs a little bit of subtleness, I will go in with the Aloe Hydration one. The Aloe one smells so good. Oh my god, I wish I had a perfume in this variant because this just smells so good. This is such a great this is such a great body lotions. I am in love. I cannot recommend these enough. Okay, so कितनी जल्दी ये absorb हो जाता है, that is the best part about these. And the next body care product that I have for you guys is the Body Loving Body Mist in the variant Everything Plum from Plum. This smells so nice. I cannot even tell you how many bottles have I repurchased of this one. This is like my 4th and 5th bottle, and I am telling you this is the best. This is even the #1 bestseller on Nykaa. So you know कितना बढ़िया हो सकता है ये, and this is the truth. This is actually very good. Another thing that I totally recommend you guys is trying out the Chemist at Play AHA body wash. They have amazing body washes and they are very nicely targeted towards their concerns. So suppose if you buy a particular body wash which is meant for back acne, then I'm telling you that particular body wash is gonna work like magic for your back acne. Trust me, and you just need a very little amount and it works great. So I think that completes my body care range, and now let's move on to my hair care range. Like not hair care range, my hair care recommendations. Okay, so for hair care, you guys know my love for L'Oreal Paris is inevitable, and I cannot stress enough for you guys to try out the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and hair mask, because both of them are so good. I am telling you, you need it, you want to try it out. And just look at my hair. What do you think I've done? Nothing, absolutely nothing except a good hair care routine. That's all. and I'm not gonna talk much about the products in this video अभी, because मैं सेव अप कर रही हूँ एक अलग वीडियो के लिए. I really wanna make a hair care video in which I tell you guys everything about my hair care routine, and I wanna talk about it real soon and in depth with you guys. I think yeah that's it. मैंने काफ़ी कुछ रिकमेंड कर दिया है. इफ़ इन केस अगर मैं कुछ भूल गई हूँ, आई टोटली रिकमेंड यू गाइज चेकिंग आउट माई मंथली फेवरेट्स जो मैं हर मंथ के एंड में बनाती हूँ. चेक इट आउट. उसमें भी मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे रिकमेंडेशंस रिकमेंड कर देती हूँ. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन वॉचिंग लाइक मंथली फेवरेट्स वीडियो और लाइक रिकमेंडेशंस वीडियो, तो वो वीडियो देख लेना. इफ़ इन केस आई फॉरगॉटन समथिंग, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी आई लव एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैव शोन इन द अदर वीडियोज एज well. And yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. So I would recommend you guys कि offers पहले से चले जाएं, उससे पहले ही आपको जो जो चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है ले लेना. ज़्यादा वेट मत करना, बिकॉज मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत होता है. मैं वेट करती हूँ लास्ट डे का एंड तब तक सब कुछ आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट इवन अ जोक, दिस हैज हैपेंड विद मी. सो yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also comment down below if you like anything in the video, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys.